Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before I do get underway, just want to say a huge thanks to Mark G for the tip. You will probably see you at at some point. So cheers mate, showing you just how quiet Benidorm is at the moment. Jumping jacks they usually shut overnight. I mean, some are not really shut overnight, but now they kinda are. It is quite quiet down here, to be fair guys. But wet bars are open, are quiet. And some of them have just thought, stick to music. Funky Flamingo there. Quiet, same with Rover's Return. When in post as well, gone quiet now, so probably shutting soon. Seems funny how, like, your bars and clubs are quiet, but your restaurants are busy. And Yorkshire Pide's got something guys. Cafe Bido, quiet, same with Tiki City and of course White Saba. Yeah, Planet Benidorm, they're quiet. Tiki City across the road. It literally seems really quiet down there guys. Wet bars are open, are just sticking to music to try and get people in. I know a few of them. Tiki City for example, they do have entertainment on. Got a singer on in there, but it is quiet down there. It's quiet. I haven't seen Benidorm this quiet since that pandemic. New lights up there though. I think they've been in since Christmas, did you say? Yeah. The lights?
Yeah, Christmas, isn't it?
I don't know, I mean, we ain't really been down here overnight much. If you want to see how quiet the Cafe Benidorm was, I've got a video of that as well, and it were quiet. Like, literally no one in, and they've got shows advertised for the night. Same with Sinatras. No one in, and they've got a show on at 9 o'clock, and the tout stood outside, freezing cold. But I'm getting it mixed up guys. Cafe B, I've got a video of how quiet it was. Same with Sinatras, quiet, tout trying to get people in, so much shows are on, but I mean, it's on a quiet road. It is just quiet all in all. Looks like the Hippodrome's open, but probably only for football, eh?
Yeah.
It is cold as well down here tonight. So, what people are down there, I can only imagine aren't really going to stay out too long, are they, guys? Broadway as well. I believe that's or season now.
March, I think.
Yeah, probably back open March. Same with the Queen's Arms. I do feel sorry though for the bars that are open, because I think they're just fighting a losing battle, to be fair. KFC though, only one that never really gets busy. Yeah, couple in there now. I'm gonna cross over because the Rose and Crown's got music on, so. They have got music blasting them. Seems like they've picked up since we came down earlier. God. I'll be honest with you guys. I were considering bringing me Wooly out tonight. It is quite chilly.
Why did you want me to come with you then? Rather go out with you, will you?
No. Charlie's pub got a few people in there, probably just for a meal. I think that's what most people have decided to do tonight, to be fair, just grab a quick meal done at home for the evening. White Lion as well, usually busy, but tonight it is rather quiet. Just show you up here, the Loch Ness there and the Outback. Outback's got more people into the Loch Ness, to be honest. To be fair though, I will just say this, the Loch Ness usually don't do that well. Florida Plaza the way to that. If I love you, I'll treat you to a pie. But I blooming don't love you. Oh yeah, you are, mate, yeah. Yeah, there's a Red Lion. They are trying their best to get people in there. Just ain't quiet down there. Coming up on Watkins Ellis now, they've got shows on when we came past with Mike earlier. But
You got the side to the show.
oh yeah, but so there's Watkins Ellis. I had the peek in earlier. They've got Adele on, but normally Watkins Ellis, it's a bar where you'll be lucky to get in there, to be fair. Whereas tonight, you can have a pick of your seats. Like when Tony comes on, you can choose to move to the back, try to avoid getting... how should I put this? Caught. Yeah, caught. Mind you though, the best bet to do is just sort of hide yourself when he comes on, because it isn't just the front he picks on.
Yeah, it's got good eyesight.
Yeah, he's got good eyesight.
He nearly hit us the other day, didn't he?
Yeah, the other day we saw him, he nearly run over me and Mike. Don't think he realised it with us though, thank God. We're more down to English now. The Crown pub there got saxophone player on, but he's only performing to a few people, terrible. Hotel California, they seem to have picked up since we were down there, so I guess I can say that's good. Shops are still open as well if you do get peckish or you want to make yourself look more with a nutter on your night out. Cinnamon Lounge, I will warn you, not really the best Indian restaurant in Benidorm. Yeah, one place we may not go again. So here's I asked Mike to do a review of the food, and let's just say the food weren't the best. Oh, I forgot the Western Saloon there. That does seem kind of busy, but normally,
It's late, I think.
yeah, probably pick up later maybe. To be fair, I guess that's all you can hope. Like, you can only hope it picks up later. But I mean, I do feel sorry for it. That place is all open, because it's going to be a quiet few months coming, so. You just got to kind of play that January and February, like, come to a quick sort of end, so Benidorm can get a bit busier. Ambassador play around there. Beautiful hotel, that, I will say.
Very nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks nice of a night when it's got all lit up and you got like the red lights on the side as well.
This one, this side.
Like, oh, this one.
Yeah.
Where door? Like, is it? Yeah, where door? All lit up with the Christmas lights. I will tell you one thing.
Fantastic spot outside.
Depressing when you take the lights on. And as Mike said, the shite pot outside. Shite, not fantastic. Apparently it's done in West Brom colours. I'm tempted to go get some spray paint and paint it in Liverpool colours. I'll just sort of... Oh. So, talk of the town's got posters and times up for stuff, but I mean, not talk of town, talk of the coast. They're shut.
Yeah, definitely should. Let's go over there.
And I'm pretty sure you done a video of that show so on and the other day.
Yeah, I did.
And I've done it as well, guys. Not knowing that they're shut. Bit stupid, to be fair. Like, you'll do... They've at least sort of put a poster on this board here just saying not closed for holidays. Not just like keep the posters up like times. And I'm gonna finish off down by Morgan's. They are open, but probably not too busy, guys. Just show you that's up there, got karaoke on. Quiet, But I got karaoke on. Then of course, Morgan's. They have got shows on in there, guys, but very quiet. I'm not sure how much you can see through there, but it does seem rather quiet. Anyway, we're finished now. I think me and Mog's possibly gonna go down the seafront, see if it's busier down there. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, stay tuned for more videos at Benidorm when it's busier.